Palestinian lawyers protest Israel's siege on Gaza. Syrian regime should not play with fire, Turkey. 11 militants killed in Sinai shootout, Egypt. Yemen's rebels shell government camp near Saudi border. Yemen's Houthi rebels claims to down US drone. Sudan, FFC Sovereign Council candidates announced. Nigeria, decades of Boko Haram terror killed 37 aid workers. Uncertainty over repatriation of 3,500 plus Rohingya. Rohingya repatriation only under international observation. Afghanistan, Taliban blamed for torching girls' school. Pakistan to approach ICJ on India's Kashmir move. Regrouped Kashmir set for peace and progress, Indian envoy.